Horses out, we have Multiply. Past the begin, Tameret Cat, Tenori outside, Da Vinci, Minnie the Mouse getting better. Multiply, the leader, this time, Tenori inside is Minnie the Mouse. And in third comes getting better, Da Vinci in fourth. Lucky Pine, then Tameret Cat trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths of the pace. Meanwhile, we have Multiply, this time by Oralenka. Minnie the Mouse is running by the rail second, then Ori outside third. Moving up now to take second, is getting better. Da Vinci is down in fourth, then 3 lengths for the back in fifth. Lucky Find. And a long way back to Tameret Cat. That's still Multiply by about 2.5 lengths this time. Getting better, still in second. Minnie the Mouse is running by the rail third. Alenka half back in fourth remains Da Vinci, Lucky Pine, then Tameret Cat, and it's still Multiply by about 2 lengths. Minnie the Mouse still in second, Rory outside third, getting better. Da Vinci in fourth, then comes Lucky Pine, and Tameret Cat. As the fields turn for home, we have Multiply. Now strides away by about 4 lengths, and in second, Minnie the Mouse getting better. Da Vinci. Last 100 meters, we have Multiply by about 4 lengths. Minnie the Mouse in second, Da Vinci getting better, and finally it's Multiply. Minnie the Mouse, then comes Da Vinci getting better. Number 4, Lucky Pine, Tameret Cat.